Hello, how are you all? Hope everybody is doing fine. Here I am going to show some my project works that I have done by using OOP in Python, and I'm gonna show you something that here you can see there is a 5 option. One is install bus, second one is book ticket, and third one is show available buses, and fourth one is show available seat, and last one is exit. Now this is a ticket booking system, and we have to install a bus, means we have to configure the bus, how many seats will be there, how many seats will be there, and etc etc, that we can see throughout the process. Okay, then first of all we have to install a bus, then we have to choose the option 1, and there is a coach number. I just put 4567. Okay, this is our coach number. And bus name, I can put here Volvo, VOL, Volvo. Okay, arrival time 10 p.m, departure time 10:20, means it will depart it for its destination from 10:20, and a starting location Jaipur, and ending location is Delhi. Okay, number of rows, that there will be a 10 rows, and column will be 4, means every side you will get a 2 pair of seats, na? Okay, then we have got the message, name Volvo and coach number 4567 is installed successfully. Okay, next one is now we want to show available buses. Okay, then 3, we choose the option 3, and here is your information, that a bus, coach number, and bus name, bus arrival time, bus departure time, start location and ending location. Now we want to book a ticket, na? Okay, then we have to choose option 2, choose coach number 4567, and seats number, how many seats you want to book for yourself, means I want to book 2 seats. Okay, now it's asking about row number, which row we want, means we want at row number 3, column number 0, and second one we 3 and 1. Okay, and we have got the message 30 and 31 successfully booked. Okay, and now we want to see the show available seats, how many seats are available there. Okay, then 4, now it is asking about the coach number 4567, and we got that 2 seats already booked. Then we got the first, now we want to install another bus. Okay, then enter your coach number 5678. Okay, bus name Hanif. Okay, arrival time 8 p.m, departure time 8:20 p.m, starting location Delhi to Jaipur. Okay, number of rows 10, number of column, it also I am giving the 4. Okay, now it's saying that name Hanif and coach number 5678 is installed successfully. Okay, now we want to show see the available seats. Right now till we didn't book any seats in Hanif bus, so there will be no booked in available seats. Every seats is available for booking. Okay, then we see how it's showing us. Okay, enter just for coach number 5678. Okay, it's showing the whole empty list, means there is no booking. And if we go for booking, then see, enter your choice, see show available bus, there is a 2 available bus, na? Right now we want to book a ticket at 5678 Hanif. Okay, okay, then we press 2, and coach number 5678 and seat number 2, row number 2 and column number 1, 2 and 0. 2 and then 2 0 successfully booked. Okay, now we want to see that how is showing available seats for coach number 5678. Now it is showing that 5678 coach number also 5678, yes, and we have booked 2 1 2 1 and 2 0, 0 1 2, 2 1 and 2 0, sorry 2 0 and 2 1 book successfully. Okay, now we want to book from the last, no? Okay, then 2 coach number 5678, number of seats 2, 9 row number and 9091. Okay, now it's showing that 9091 successfully booked. Okay, show the available seats. Okay, coach number 5678, it's see here, we have done our booking successfully, and this is my project. This is a very small project, I know, but the implementation of this project was really inspiring for me, and I'm just showing the project just thoroughly. First I declared on I have imported abstract base class and abstract method. After that I just made a class by using abstract base class. Then there I have inputted my I have initialized all of my necessary information that I have to give for installation of the bus. That's why I initialize with coach name, bus name, arrival, departure, starting location, ending location, rows and columns. Okay, and here I have initialized the seats with two-dimensional seats, means there will be row and also column, and I have first of all initialized 0 in every position, rows and also columns, and this is a shortcut loop. First we have written the columns loop. After that we just this one is outer loop, this one is outer loop and this one is inner loop. Just in that like we have used in the C++. This is the outer loop and this is the inner loop. Okay, after that I have declared a class bus, and it is inherited from this bus class, and I just pass this. I just need to pass because there I have to pass to bus, na? But there is a abstract base class, that's why we don't need to initialize the same thing because it's already inherited. That's why we don't need to use any kind of super keyword here. Okay, then here I have declared another class is bus company. Yeah, I declared I initialize with this only bus. Here we will buses with dictionary, that we showed that there is a list of buses, and here is a course number will be a key, and bus will be object, and object will hold this kind of this all values. Every object you can access all this value. Now there is an install bus, and we just pass the bus object. This is an object, and we printed that bus name and bus course number is installed successfully, and we just put the buses in the buses dictionary, like we use the course number as a key and bus as a object. That's why we choose we have written this code like this, and display available buses. Now there you have noticed already that there is a option like available buses. We also use this option, and here if what you have sent there we are passing nothing, and this is only use the self, na? this object only. And if not self buses, because we have the buses in this object, na, that's why we are using only self, because we need only buses. And if we access code means this key and this object, bus object, then we can access all those value. Okay, if no self dot buses, uh, means if the list is empty, then this means if the list is empty, then it will printed no available bus, no bus available. Okay, else the list is not empty, then we are just bringing the value in key and pair from the bus. There is a course number will be our key, and bus is value. Then right, we have printed the coach now. And you guys all know how to print this kind of thing. And book ticket, this function is important, and we are just yeah, taking input as a taking input of this function parameter coach and seat number only. And how we will how we will process this, we will see now. If the coach not in self dot buses, if the customer put a invalid coach number, then it will show that invalid coach number, because there is not such a coach in the buses dictionary that is listed. If there is no listed bus in this coach number, then it will show invalid coach number and it will return you. And if the coach number is valid, then coach in the self buses, and we just take a list of this booked and how many seats you have booked, just to show the how many seats and which number of seats you have booked from. Just showing this, we just save our just booking seats here, na. And for I in range seats now means how many seats you need. If we need 2 seats, then this loop will iterate 2 times. After that, we just initialize a infinity loop, that after that we are taking the input of rows and columns, and if rows value is less than 0, then it will obviously invalid, because there is no such value in minus. And row lane, if the rows value is equal to the lane of the buses, then how many rows is there. If the values is, because we are starting from the 0 index, na, that's why if there is equal, then it also invalid. If we start if we initialize 10 rows and 2 columns, then it will we can access 0 to 9 row, and there is a column of 0 and 1. If you put the column 2, then it will also be invalid. That's why we write this code here, and same as column. And if this happened, then we will just printing invalid seat number after continue, because till date you will not input a valid seat number. It will ask for input rows and columns, valid rows and columns. After that, we just check the self.buses coach. Means we have a dictionary buses, there is a all buses, and you have coach number. That's why we just access the bus with the unique identified coach number. Then we just access this object bus by writing this. We just access the bus. After that, there is a parameter like seats, and seats. Then we access the seats. Then what we have inputted na here, by what we have taken input from user, we just put the row and column. If this is already booked, then print the seat is already booked. Cross means the seat is already booked. and if this is not already booked, then just book this and append this in booked listed and break, and then it will again, if there is a 2 seats, then the loop will initialize again. Like this we have processed this, and at last we have just printed the book successfully. Means book listed, we just print the book list. Okay. After that there is another thing, show available seats self and coach. If coach in self buses, available seats are, then we are just printing the value that the available seats. This is also uh, by using the loop, and it's a two-dimensional, but we are printing first. We just taking the row and seats from, and we are joining the every rows, and we are just printing is print invalid coach number. Okay, written. Then we just initialize the bus company, because all of task will done by the bus company, and we just initialize a welcome message, and after that we just initialize an again while loop. After that we just print the option, and we just take the input and make the object of this bus, and we just install this bus here. And like this, choice 2, there is a book ticket option, that's why we take only coach now and seats now, because book ticket takes 2 parameter, coach and seats now, and we are just taking the input from user and just passing to the function. Like this we have just all of this completed by like this, and this is a very small project with a very small functionality. I hope you enjoyed, and I have talked first time in English in videos, that's why probably there is some mumbling, and I have made a few mistakes, that's why I am really sorry, and I hope I will improve my English in upcoming days. And when I feel that I can present myself uh, very energetic way in front of the people, and I can say English easily, because English is not my first language. Bengali is my first language, but somehow we always think background of our mind that we can't speak. That's why, that's the fear, and I already made a lots of mistake, but this is the first step to learn something, that you made a lot of mistake, after that you will learn. And I hope everybody will pardon my mistakes, and thank you so much for your valuable time, and please keep me in your prayer. Okay, thank you so much.